Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a second Deco unit. First, unbox your new Deco and locate a convenient power outlet. It's important to place this second unit within a good wireless range of your existing main Deco for optimal performance. Once you've found the perfect spot, plug it in and make sure both your primary and secondary Deco units are powered on and ready to go. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process. Finding the right spot for your second Deco is key to expanding your Wi-Fi coverage effectively. Aim for a central location in your home, ideally halfway between your main Deco and the area needing better signal. Try to avoid placing it too close to large metal objects, thick walls, or major appliances, as these can interfere with the wireless signal. Also, keep it at least 3 feet away from other electronics to prevent any potential interference. Good placement ensures a strong, stable mesh network. Now, let's get your second Deco connected using the app. Open the Deco app on your smartphone or tablet. You should see an option, usually a plus icon, to add a new Deco unit. Tap this icon and the app will guide you through the pairing process step by step. It will likely ask you to confirm the model and then search for the new unit. Just follow the clear on-screen instructions, and your second Deco will be integrated into your mesh network in no time. After the app confirms your second Deco is connected, take a moment to verify it's online and working as expected. You can usually see its status within the Deco app. Then, walk around your home and test the Wi-Fi speeds in areas that previously had weak or no signal. You should notice a significant improvement in coverage and performance. For more great deals and to grab a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener, check the link in the description below. Enjoy your expanded and robust mesh Wi-Fi network.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.